This video explains you trainer ratio, that is a portfolio performance evaluation measure. First we see what is a trainer ratio. Trainer ratio is a risk adjusted portfolio performance evaluation measure of return based on systematic risk. In contrast to Sharpe ratio, trainer ratio uses systematic risk as a denominator or adjustment factor, whereas in a Sharpe ratio we use total risk, that is standard deviation of a portfolio. So we see how to calculate a trainer ratio. Trainer ratio is calculated using an equation, that is return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by systematic risk measured in terms of a beta. So return on portfolio is average return on a portfolio and risk-free rate is annual risk-free rate, and beta is beta coefficient of a portfolio. So first we need to calculate the returns on index as well as on a net asset value. So return is calculated using an equation equals to current price divided by previous price minus 1. So similarly we calculate this for a NAV return also, and drag for the total and format this, format cells. So format it as a number with a 2 decimal points, or we go for 3 decimal points. So we have calculated index return as well as NAV return. Why these returns need to be calculated is beta is calculated on market and fund returns. So to calculate the beta we need to calculate the returns, that is one, and second is we need to calculate the average return. And first we see how many number of trading days during this month. So to get a trading days we use Excel equation count equals to count, select your values. So we have a 20 trading days during the month, and average daily return. So these are daily returns on NAV. So we need to calculate the average of these. So average is calculated using Excel equation average, so equals to average of daily returns. Your the average daily return is 0.18%, and annual risk-free rate, we make an assumption of annual risk-free rate of 5%. Now so here we got average daily return, but we need to calculate the average return. That means average return is calculated using daily return, this daily average return multiplied by number of trading days. So this equals to our average daily return multiplied by number of trading days. So we got 3.67% is the average return for this particular month. And next is here the interest rate is annual risk-free rate, whereas we need to have an interest rate only for a specific period, that is only for 20 days. So to do that, this equals to annual interest rate multiplied by number of trading days divided by 360, that is total number of days in a year. So that is our specific period risk-free rate is 0.28%. Next, beta is calculated using built-in Excel function slope, SLOP is used to calculate the beta. So equals to slope, it is asking to give input of a known Y values. Y values are return values, that is return on NAV values. So first select the return on NAV, comma, known X values. X values are written on market, daily returns on market. So we got a beta, that is 1.17. Now we substitute these three values in trainer index. So trainer index is return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by beta of a portfolio. So this equals to, it is return on portfolio, average return minus risk-free rate, so risk-free rate for a specific period, divided by beta of a portfolio or systematic risk of a portfolio. So Treynor index is 0.03.